Hey guys, let's just unbox this Google Chromecast with Google TV, all right? So I got from Amazon. You see here, there has a lot of options like YouTube, YouTube TV, Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV, Spotify, Disney, Hulu, HBO Max, Sling, Paramount, and also Peacock. It's a 4K device, and you can control the TV just using a remote. So basically here, there are some phrases that you can say and control the TV. Let me just get some focus here. There we go, some phrases. You can just use the remote control and ask the device to show you, right? Let me just remove the plastic here and unbox it. There we go. It's a pretty new device. And here, let me see how I can open it up. There we go. I think it's here. Nope. There we go. Okay. And here I see the controller already. Let me just open the box and see what's inside. Yeah, it's a small remote control. Pretty small. You see here I have the button for YouTube and Netflix. And here I can talk to Google, and also a button here, home and power, and something else here. Probably I can select here the input. Here I can just insert the batteries. Let me just see if it comes with batteries or not. So here I have the device that I'm going to connect to the TV, of course. That's the Chromecast itself. So here also inside of a bag. Here's a button, probably a reset button or something, not sure yet. And that's the Google Chromecast. You just connect to your TV, to the HDMI port, and you have your remote control. Let's just see what else I have here. Let's get started. The Google Chromecast guide. Here it comes with the power brick. There we go, power brick and cables. So good. This is a USB-C, the new standard, and USB-A, the regular cable. So you can just connect to your device just right here and power it up, because it also comes with the brick. So I have this brick here, so you don't need an extra one because it brings the brick. And also the batteries, okay? So you don't need to buy extra batteries, and you have everything ready to go, right? With your Google Chromecast TV, and you can watch all your movies and stuff that you like, all right? So there you go, guys. You can get your Google Chromecast TV on Amazon.